A 10-year-old in Bristol is facing permanent scarring because of a toy. What do you as parents need to do to take action against this latest viral online trend? Number 1, ask your child calmly if they've seen anyone online microwaving one of these squishy toys. The question itself is protective. Number 2, tell them that they're not designed to be put in ovens, microwaves or freezers. Not a lecture, just a quick sentence. And number 3, check with them if they have any of the following in their rooms: a Needoh, squishies, nice cubes or jelly cubes. If they do, have the conversation now. More guidance and advice is available over at cybersafetyguy.com. Please remember to subscribe and also share.